Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can switch between various number formats for numbers and values within your projects and tasks on GanttPro. So let us dive into this. So let's assume, for example, guys, you prefer the European and number settings or the US American. It's totally up to you. You can switch between various or between these number settings. To access these, you will need to head over to your account settings on GanttPro, click into that gear icon in the bottom left, and here navigate to profile settings. And here, guys, under workspace settings, you will see the number format. This one here was or has been set to default for my account, but you can, as you can see, choose one of these. That format here with that dot and the comma. I guess that's the European number format. There you go, these changes haven't applied, but if you'd like to switch back to the US American with the comma here and the dot here and decimals behind or right to the point, you can go with that format as well, of course, to apply to your entire account here on GanttPro also inside your projects and tasks. So whenever you work with numbers. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.